Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OneDrive media into Adobe Premiere Rush. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Rush on your device. Ensure you are signed in to your OneDrive account. Locate the media files you want to download from OneDrive. In Adobe Premiere Rush, create a new project or open an existing one. Click on the plus icon to add. Select the option to import from cloud storage. Choose OneDrive from the list of available cloud services. Wait for the OneDrive interface to load within the app. Navigate to the folder containing your desired media files. Select the files you wish to import. Click on the Import button. The selected files will begin downloading to your project. Once the download is complete, you will see the media in your project's media library. You can now drag and drop the imported media into your timeline. Edit your video as desired using the downloaded media. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid losing any progress. Once you're satisfied with your editing, proceed to export your final video. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.